Here's a simple step-by-step guide to becoming a real estate agent for beginners. Step 1. Research your state's requirements. Licensing requirements. Check the requirements for your state or country, as they vary greatly. Age and education. Most places require you to be at least 18 years old and have a high school diploma or equivalent. Step 2. Take a pre-licensing course. Enroll in a course. Find a state-approved pre-licensing course, which often covers real estate principles, laws, and practices. Complete the course, attend classes and pass any required tests. Step 3. Pass the licensing exam. Study for the exam. Use review materials and practice tests to prepare. Schedule an exam. Register for and take the real estate licensing exam in your state. Step 4. Apply for your license. Submit the application. After passing the exam, submit your application for a real estate license to your state's regulatory body. Background check. Be prepared to undergo a background check. Step 5. Choosing a brokerage. Find a real estate brokerage. Research and select a suitable real estate brokerage. Some may offer training programs. Join a brokerage. Meet any additional requirements for joining. Step 6. Build your network. Network with others. Attend networking events. Join local real estate associations. And build relationships with other agents and professionals. Step 7. Market yourself. Build a brand. Develop a personal brand and online presence, such as a website or social media accounts. Start marketing. Use online marketing, open houses, and referrals to attract clients. Step 8. Continue your education. Stay up to date. Attend workshops, seminars, and continuing education courses to stay up to date on industry trends and regulations. Step 9. Gain experience. Work with clients. Start working with clients to gain practical experience. Learn from mentors. Seek advice and guidance from experienced agents. Step 10. Specialization. Optional. Consider a specialization. As you gain experience, you can specialize in areas such as commercial real estate, luxury homes, or property management. By following these steps, you can successfully launch your career as a real estate agent.